it's John. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Today I'm going to put some new footrests on the Meteor, and they are the wider ones, so I'm hoping that they'll be nice and comfortable when I ride it. Anyway, this is how I did it. So that is the standard footrest, and I'm going to put them on, which are a lot wider. The pin goes through the footrest, and there's a spring clip, circlip, on the end of the pin there. So to take that out and then pull the pin out, on here is a spring, and have to remove the spring as well and put it back in the same position. To get the circlip off, I used a thin electrician's screwdriver. I worked in a factory that produced thousands of bearings a day, and it's what the women on the lines use for the circlips on the self-load bearings. Watch your fingers, and now take the pin out. Pay particular attention to which way the spring goes, and when you come to replace it, put it back in the same position. Put some grease on the pin. Now, remembering how you took it apart, put it back together in the same way. Remember which way the spring came out, and remember that the straight part of the spring goes in the hole on the footrest on the frame. You'll find that if you lift the footrest slightly at an angle, the pin will go in easier. I just use a larger screwdriver, a much maligned tool, to stick upwards through the hole in the footrest, just to line it up better. Then I used a plastic mallet just to tap the pin in. I prised the circlip back onto the pin with the electrician's screwdriver, and then I pushed the circlip down to the groove in the pin and made sure it sat in the groove all the way round. Didn't want it coming off. Again, using the screwdriver, watch your fingers. Yes, I did some editing. It didn't go on and come off straight away, but I'm just showing you how I did it. Be careful, be patient, and you should manage. The other footrest comes off and goes back on in exactly the same way, and I think they look quite smart. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.